Hello, welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is an easy French twist with a hair stick. Begin by gathering your hair into a low ponytail with your right hand, then tightly wrap the base of your ponytail up and over your index and middle finger on your left hand to the right. Next, tightly twist your fingers to the left one full turn as you bring them to the top of your head. And if you need to, twist a little more to hide your ends. Now, keep your left hand in place as you slide your hair stick partway through your twist and out the right side, so it's parallel to your head. Then push the tip against your head as you flip the stick to the right. You should feel tension. If not, try inserting again through more hair. Wiggle and push the stick against your head to connect your twist to your head until it comes out the left side of your twist. And you want your end to go out your twist rather than staying against your scalp. It should feel very secure. If not, practice. It can take a few tries to get the hang of it, so try not to get discouraged. If you liked today's video, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.